Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today we'll talk about the Express replacement iPad Pro using AppleCare Plus. So this is really the unboxing of the replacement iPad Pro that I got delivered by Apple through the Express replacement service. We'll know a little bit more about what the Express replacement service is in a later part of the video, but I wanted to take a look at the unboxing experience and what you get as a part of the Express replacement first. So as you can see, as we open the box here, it looks decidedly thinner than what you get as a part of the retail box, which kind of makes me question if it comes with any accessories at all. And my initial hunch is that it does not come with any kind of accessories, and we have to see if it does indeed come with those, and I'm wrong, but my hunch is that it doesn't come with those. And as you can see again, once we open the box here, is that it only comes with the iPad. So if you're planning to replace your iPad Pro through the Express replacement service, remember to keep the accessories like charger, Apple Pencil with you and not ship it over to Apple because that's your loss. And especially considering the current climate of COVID-19, courier and everything else related to it is really sort of delayed, and you really don't want to take a risk by, shipping products to Apple that you really shouldn't be shipping to them. But anyway, back to the iPad here. As you can see, the only thing you get as a part of the box is the iPad Pro. Now, I think the reason I also decided to make, the video also was if you really get a refurbished iPad Pro or you get a brand new one, right? Because there's a lot of questions in terms of what quality of the iPad you get as a replacement, if it's new or if it's a refurbished one. So let's take a look. Straight off the bat, it does look new to me, although I haven't had any prior experience of buying a refurbished product. So I'm not in a position to compare, straight off the eyeballs without actually taking a look at products side by side. All I can do is compare this replacement that I got with my existing iPad, which I'll do in a little bit, but so far so good. It does seem to start. And here, upon inspection, generally eyeballing it is, all seems okay. But there are times when a lot of the iPads don't really meet QC checks. Generally, Apple has a good quality check criteria and practice. But let's see if this iPad seems to have missed on some of that. Well, I sure hope not. But, as you can see, there's a confirmation of the fact that there are no accessories that got shipped with the product. So it's probably time to do a closer inspection of the iPad. What looks like an indentation at there you go. It does seem like a little bit of an indentation, which can be annoying if you're an OCD type of person. For me personally, it's not. And as you can see, it doesn't seem to exist on the original iPad that I had. So I'm not really sure what's happening here, but it seems like the quote unquote new iPad Pro seems to have an indentation. Once again, the white smudges around the charging port you see is quite normal because you keep charging it repeatedly. This iPad was charged about 400 times, so that is a result of usage over time. This one is brand new, presumably charged a few times until it reached me, so therefore no smudging there. But yes, you do see that, and that's quite annoying for me, even though I don't have OCD. That is super. That is just annoying for me. But anyway, there's that. And the next question is, where can you actually buy it? Well, you can either buy it along with the device when you bought your iPad, or you can buy it within 60 days of your iPad purchase, right? So you can add the Apple Care Plus plan onto your, presumably all kinds of Apple products, iPhones, iPads, and so on. But in this case, you can add it within a window of 2 months of buying your iPad Pro. And look, I guess the idea is how useful it really is, right? Apple Care Plus, it it is typically a type of insurance, and with all kinds of insurance products, you don't realize the value of it until you actually need it, because paying the premiums or paying a price up front really sucks and you don't like it. But in my case, I was able to use the express replacement service, which is essentially used in my case to get a brand new iPad after having used my existing iPad for a while at a price of about $49. So the math that you need to do in your head is how much have you paid for Apple Care Plus and offset it against the price of a new device, right? So it shouldn't be that you're paying twice over for the same iPad, or just for one iPad you're paying, twice over as compared to the insurance charges you're paying. But in short, I would say that for me, Apple Care Plus has come through because I get a brand new iPad with presumably the battery health being at 100%, which means, about a few charges as compared to 400. And as we've seen, the new iPad Pro 2020 isn't materially different from the 2018 model. So that really means that I can continue using it for a whole lot longer. Uh, well, I think that was that was the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll work to bring you more content. Stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.